Yeah, just slow right down now, Jen. And once you see the fish, yeah, don't wind too much line, and yeah, now just slowly wind, and now just lift your rod and get them into the net. Oh, that's why he's a grunter. They fight like anything.
Yeah.
Strongest fighting fish. And he'll start grunting in a minute. Nice fish.
What's that?
Yeah, well, maybe get some of the lines out of the way, guys.
Whoever's not on, take your rods out.
Yep. Otherwise you lose the really good fish. There's a couple of hits there. That's it. No rush. When he is coming, just keep the rod still and wind. Otherwise, if you lift and drop it too much, you can give them a bit of slack line and the hook falls out.
What do you reckon it is?
I'm not sure. It could be a dewy or a flatty. A jewfish.
I reckon it's a flathead.
You reckon?
Flathead.
If you see a silver flash, then it's a dewy. If you see a browny colour, then it's a
I see a
flathead.
brownie
Hasn't got the big head shakes of a flathead. This is actually interesting what it's going to be. Oh, what is it?
Sam. Move.
It's a big trevally, or not a, yeah, a good trevally. Nice.
Hey.
That'll-
What, Sam?
Are you able to eat that?
Not really. They're okay for sashimi. That's actually a GT, little GT. These things grow to 50 kilos, these things.
Oh, really? What's
Yeah.
GT?
Giant trevally.
Ah,
They catch on the Great Barrier Reef, yeah.
wow.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Awesome. What do you reckon, boys?
Reverse away from this. Pull his fish off the hook and just keep winding. That's it. What do we got? Oh, nice size Taiwan. That's a nice fish. That's the brim's cousin. It's called a Taiwan.
A Taiwan.
T-A-R-W-I-N-E. Taiwan. Taiwan. They cool fish.
How do you tell the difference?
Yeah. Keep winding. Two nets there. We can both net one, Matt. Double hook up. Oh, okay, easy now. Easy, easy. Don't force him. When they're running, just stop winding and let them run. That's a good fish, that one. Oh no, that was a big fish. Oh,
Big off.
what do you? Oh, actually, stop winding. Dewey! Haha! Dewey! I think you got a good dewey on there too. Double hook up on the deweys.
Oh, we both got two fish.
These guys are absolute bucket list fish for people. They take 20 years to catch them. They're just a prized,
Oh, wow.
highly sought after fish. Yeah,
And do they taste good?
they are, but the minimum size is 70 centimeters.
Oh, bugger.
Absolute baby. Yeah, they grow to 2 meters. That's the way. When he runs, let him run. Don't force him. If he's still coming, keep him coming. Don't rush at them with the net, just swim them into the net if they're a good fish, because they'll shy at the net. Basically just get them head first. Don't lift them up too high when he comes up. When you see the fish, just slow right down and don't wind too fast. That's it, you're doing well. He's coming. He's
I
coming.
think I'm the only one who hasn't caught a fish.
You haven't caught a fish? Oh, we've got to change that.
Whoa!
Oh, okay, slowly now, slowly, no rush, don't panic. Rod down a little bit.
That's very
Oh, that's a good dewey. Oh, okay, don't want too much, don't want too much. You're gonna snap him off. Well done, guys, well done. That's a lovely dewey.
Wait, is that eatable?
I did my
Nah,
best to
that's
lose him
still
for you.
not legal size, but it's ours. Another one. This rod's getting a hit, guys.
Someone take the
I
rod.
thought that was weird.
Just keep it still, wait for the bite. That's a lovely dewey, eh? Jeez. Just keep him on the net for a second, guys. We'll help you in a second. Let's get this fish out. That's a Brimbo.
Oh, and I'm caught on someone.
How's that, eh? How old are you?
8.
And you caught a dewey already?
Yeah.
That's priceless. Not on, leave it down there. Might come back and hit it again.
It's got spikes.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting that right, boss.
Got the lingo going, eh? Brimbo. Not a bad brim.
You are too.
Oh, you guys got each other, yeah. Wind up and start again. Yep. That's it. Keep winding.
Oh, okay.
Nice size Taiwan. Yeah, another one. Nice fish.
My first fish.
I like Taiwan.
You didn't want to fish from there, so
They fight harder than brim.
I'm going.
All the lines and guys will reset anyway. Yeah. At a bit of an awkward angle, yeah. What do you got? Oh, that's a nice size. Let's grab the net. Don't lift them any higher. It's a big brim. Big bugger. Well done.
My second.
Nice fish. It's a solid brim.
Woo, I've got it too.
Oh
well done, Sammy.
yeah. Solid brim.
Yeah.
What have we got? Another brim.
Oh, wow.
Smashing the brim.
Is it edible?
Close.
Little fella. Right out.
Bit small, eh? A little bit on the small side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep winding. Keep winding. There you go. It's a fish.
Oh, Jack.
Haven't started fighting yet.
What is
Oh, nice brim.
Oh, Jack.
Nice brim. Well
it?
done.
Hey, you got one.
Everyone's caught fish.
Woo.
I've got two. Is that what
Oh,
I
keep it in.
No donuts.
Keep it in.
Yeah, the rods can go straight in the water with bigger
edible? Do
fish.
you reckon it would be?
Might be. Yeah, let's just get this your mum's fish out. Hang on a second, guys. Ooh, got a bit of a kick to it. Love hearing the reel there. Yeah, bring them back
You right down or
around.
you need a hand?
Either way, away from the motor. Yeah.
It keeps going around that way. Oh, here he is.
What is he? Nice brim.
Remy?
Cheers, Taiwan. Yeah, nice fish. That's alright. I'll carefully get him in. That's a good, solid Taiwan. Solid fish.
Oh, that's hard one again.
Yep. No aggression. Nice.
Hey, keep going. Find it.
Always
Yep.
keep winding.
Need to have time to pop it
There you
back.
go. He's on already. Yeah.
Hey,
Get him in.
hey,
5
where's
seconds to
the
get that
one?
brim.
Where's the thing, Lee? Ollie.
Got his mate.
Let's get mine out of the water. Sorry, Jack.
Gotta love
Can't
the double
even
hookups.
knock out. Oh, here we go.
Oh, nice brim.
Another brim. Is he
What's
big
he got?
brim?
Oh, big brim. Well done. Big brim. Big brim.
Yeah, that's 25.
Nice fish. Well done.
Yeah, I'll measure.
So watch, guys. Number 3. Well done. Nice. Sammy. Another brimbo.
Got a creamy.
Fish, yeah.
There we are. He's too small, isn't he, Glenn?
Yeah, that's a bit small, that one.
Chuck him in, Sammy.
Chuck him in. And similar size, that one. Everyone's getting into them.
Can we move a bit that way?
Yep. Hold up for a second.
Oh, that looks like a big one. Oh,
It
that
does.
is a big one. I can see it.
Nice.
It looks big.
Oh, that's a grunter. Spotted grunter. Nice. That's cool to see.
Yeah, it's going to go with that barrel.
That's the cousin of the one you caught earlier, the
Oh, there you go.
barred grunter, yeah.
He's not big enough.
Nah, we'll let him go.
Little.
He might grunt for us.